sleeping in a car right now. Wow. I can hear the engine starting up.
Gonna go somewhere, right? Is this like the train maintenance area, maybe?
Maybe.
That's like, what do you call it, siding?
Yeah. Something for sure.
Don't go out there.
There goes the Metro.
Keep you safe and you
There goes the Metro. Burbank now.
Look, Jackson across the way.
Oh! Hello. That's funny. Do we got this Ronan car in front of us? Oh. Is he walk? Oh, we're the one moving. We're the one moving. Okay. Wow, Fridays are busy. Dude, Fridays are really busy. Yep.
I love this.
Yep.
We're getting the sunset.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna pause it right here. I will never forget this moment. I will never forget it. I am literally like staring at a steam locomotive in action. That is crazy. Oh, I love it.